Hello everyone, today I will show you how to put an image on text using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I will put this image on this text and text will place behind this image. Click on this edit option. Now select this image and move it on this image and it is automatically put it on this text. Now click on this format option. If you select the same back option, this image inserted behind this text, and if you select this, bring to front and see this. In this, you can put your images behind text and in front of text. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.